Yeah, hey everyone. So for today's topic, I wanted to talk about HTTP and HTTPS. So specifically with that, I just want to cover what is the protocol, why is it used, problems of HTTP, and why HTTPS is preferred as a best practice when accessing public information over the World Wide Web. So with that said, what is HTTP? So HTTP, or the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, is an application protocol for communicating over the World Wide Web, as was mentioned. So with that, it's a client-server specific architecture. So let's say I'm accessing google.com. The client is the user, so the browser is, let's say, Google Chrome for this example. And the server could be cloud-based, whatever it may be, so Google in this instance. So HTTP is based off of request response data. So you're going to send your request based on whatever you're trying to do, post data, get data, and you're given a response, whether it's an HTML page, an error message, items of that sort. So as you can see here, I'm on my local host that we talked about yesterday. So if I just click enter, as you can see, if I click the I here, the connection to my site is not secure, and it gives a little warning, don't enter anything important here. So essentially how HTTP works is when you connect over it, your browser is going to look up the IP address that corresponds to this website. So as we saw yesterday, 127.0.0.1. So it's going to correspond to that. It's going to connect to it. And then every communication is over plain text. Think about the problems with that. So any eavesdropper on your internet service provider, your Wi-Fi network, can see what's going on at that point in time. And who knows if maybe you're not even connected to the right website. Maybe it's a man in the middle. There's some sort of hack where you're communicating directly to a hacker, and whatever's prompted, you may be typing in. So the way around that is HTTPS. So if I go to, for example, let's go to Google. As you can see, there's a lock browser. The lock connection is secure. This is verified by the browser specifically. So the reason that is well, first with that said, HTTPS is Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. So this lock browser is because of the certificate that's valid on the actual server. So this is verified by the browser, and it makes sure it's from a trusted CA. If you don't know how certificates work, we do have topics on that. I would recommend watching. I can link them to this set. So any sensitive information is now encrypted and no one can eavesdrop as easily. And also with HTTPS, no one can see your search info. So maybe you went to a website, let's say you type something in, that's all encrypted. So it's a lot harder to decrypt that and try to figure out what's going on. Versus with HTTP, everything's in plain text. You can literally see everything going on. All right. Sounds great, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.